This is the car parking. You have two car parking, one and two car parking, and this is the hall, a big hall, and here you can make this as a kitchen, a bedroom, and a living room. This is an attached bathroom for the bedroom, and here you have the lift facility that you can organize a lift that will go right up to on top. This is the lift facility. The space is given for the lift over here. And here we go to the first floor. On the first floor, this is the stairs of the first floor. As we go, we enter into a hall. Here you have a hall. This is the hall, and you see the balcony. Here we have made this as a modular kitchen. If you want, you can make this as a bedroom, and this kitchen is detachable, removable kitchen. It can be brought down to whichever floor you like. We put it here because it is east facing and plenty of sunlight will come into the kitchen. This is the utility area for the kitchen. You can make this even as a toilet if you want it as a bedroom. This is the sit out balcony for the first floor. First floor balcony. There you go. And then we move on to another bedroom which is there on the first floor. Some work is being done in the bedroom. This is the bedroom on the first floor. One bedroom. And this is the bathroom. First floor. A big bathroom. You can put a bathtub over here. There we go. This is the bathroom for the first floor. Then we come to the second floor. This is the second floor steps. We go to the second floor. Second floor, where we will move up, and again we enter to the hall. This is the hall, TV unit. And this is a bedroom. Here we go, a bedroom. And this is the bathroom, attached bathroom. Every bedroom has an attached bathroom. And here is the hall that you see. You will see the hall. And this is the balcony. The sit out is big. You can extend it if you wish. This is the second floor balcony. And now we will move on to, this is a coffee unit. Move on to the terrace. This is another bedroom. Before we go there, we go to the other bedroom. We call this, you can keep it as a master bedroom or kid bedroom, whatever you like. You will see the other bedroom, and this is the attached bathroom for the bedroom. There you go. And this is the flooring, tiles, or hand-picked selected tiles for the bathroom. And we go to the terrace. We move on to, from second floor we go to the third floor, which is the terrace. Here we have our terrace. It come out, and this is the grill for safety that we have laid out. And this is the terrace, and on top of the terrace we have two tanks. One is for Manjira water, one is for borewell water. And you can see your terrace, which you can see the terrace that you could have. This is the terrace for the third floor. You can build an extra floor, like how they have built an extra floor. We have the permission to build the extra floor for the terrace. So this is a view from the terrace to the ground floor. There you go. This is a view. You will see the different villas. This is a view from the terrace. This is the view that we will be able to see. This is a view from the side, from the terrace, and we have, this is the view of the terrace. It's a huge terrace. This is a view from top. There you go. You could see the view right from top to the bottom.